Welcome students. We are here with our new video on multiple choice questions of physical pharmacy. In this video, we will be having 10 multiple choice questions related to physical pharmacy, which is also basics of pharmaceutics. It will not only be helpful for your examination, but also it will be helpful for the students who are preparing GPAT. We have given answers in the end of this video. Also, we will be discussing the answers. So you do watch our video till end so that the discussion part you could also get the benefit of it. So thank you so much. You do watch our videos, and now come on, we will be starting our video. First question following is isotonic solution. A 0.9% weight by volume sodium chloride solution, B 5% weight by volume dextrose solution, C 0.45% weight by volume sodium chloride solution and 2.5% weight by volume dextrose solution, and D is all of the above. Second question, a paratonic solution is the term used for A hypertonic solution, B hypotonic solution, C both, and D isotonic solution. Question number 3 is, with the increase in temperature, the solubility of most gases, A increases, B decreases, C no change, D all of the above. Question number 4. The boiling point of water can be increased by adding soluble solutes, adding insoluble solutes, both or none. Question number 5. The example of biological buffer is hemoglobin, oxyhemoglobin, acid, alkali, potassium salts or phosphoric acid, carbonic acid, bicarbonate, or all of the above. Question number 6. When any substance converts from solid state to gaseous state, the process is called A. Condensation, B. Evaporation, C. Sublimation, D. None. Number 7. Sedimentation method works on A. Fick's law, B. Henry's law, C. Stokes' law, D. None. Question number 8. The surface tension is measured by A. Stalagmometer, B. Viscometer, C. Pycnometer, D. all of the above. The unit of relative viscosity is A. Poise, B. Centipoise, C. both, or D. none. Question number 10 is, for asymmetric particle, the value of shape factor is A. 6, B. less than 6, C. more than 6, D. between 5 to 6. Hope you have written the answers. Now we will be discussing one by one the answers of each question. The first question is following is isotonic solution. So first of all, we must know what is isotonic solution. Iso means equal. Isotonic solution means when any solution has similar concentration or similar osmotic pressure as the other solution. It is a relative term. Now, generally we say isotonic in terms of or with respect to our blood. So here first is 0.9% weight by volume sodium chloride solution. Yes, this is isotonic. Then 5% dextrose is also isotonic. And if we do a half of 0.9%, that is 0.45%, and half of 5%, that is 2.5%. If we add both of them, then also it is isotonic solution. Hence the answer is all of the above. Second question. We had discussed that hypertonic means the concentration is more than the given solution. Hypotonic means concentration is less. And for both these solutions, we give a common term, paratonic solution. Hence the answer is both. Next question is, with the increase in temperature, the solubility of most gases. Generally, in the case of liquids, with the increase in temperature, the solubility increases. But in the case of gases, with the increase in temperature, the solubility decreases. Hence, answer will be B, that is decreases. Fourth question is, the boiling point of water can be increased by, here answer is adding soluble solutes. When the soluble solutes are added, then any liquid takes more means requires more temperature for boiling. So the boiling point of water is also altered by adding soluble solutes. Next question is the example of biological buffer is. First of all, we should know what is buffer. Buffer means that the pH of that liquid doesn't alter by adding any of the acidic or alkaline medium. So here biological buffer is, so all the examples that has been given in this are biological buffers. So the answer will be all of the above. Next question is when any substance converts from solid state to gaseous state, the process is. So here three terms are given. First is condensation. Condensation means on cooling, the vapor state converts to liquid state. So this will not be the answer. In evaporation means on heating liquid becomes vapor, or liquid state becomes gaseous state. So that is also not the answer. So the left is sublimation. Yes, in the sublimation is the case when solid directly converts to gaseous state. For example, in the case of camphor we see. So the answer will be sublimation. Next question is sedimentation method works on. So we have studied that sedimentation method is a type of particle size determination. This is done in Andreasen apparatus, and the basic principle or the law on which it works is Stokes law. So the answer will be Stokes law. The surface tension is measured by A is stalagmometer, B is viscometer, C is pycnometer, or all of the above. See here, three equipments are given. One is viscometer, as the name suggests. Viscometer means it will determine viscosity. Pycnometer and RD bottle, they are used for relative density or density, and stalagmometer is used for surface tension. So answer will be stalagmometer. Generally what happens is when we see all of the above, we think this is the answer, but no, this is not the correct answer. Answer is stalagmometer. This we have already studied in our one of the videos. You can refer that video. The next question is the unit of relative viscosity is. This is a tricky question. Generally we think if it is given viscosity, then answer will be poise or centipoise. But here it is given relative term. So for any term or for any like relative density or relative viscosity, there will be no unit. So the answer will be none. This we have to always remember. This is the last question. For asymmetric particle, the value of shape factor is, see here for spherical particle, the shape factor comes to be 6. And for more asymmetric particles it will be more than 6. So this is the case that we have to remember is the answer will be C, that is more than 6. So here we come towards end of our video. If you have not scored good, then you can refer some of the videos that we have already uploaded related to this that we are giving in the link. You just click those videos and watch, and again you try to solve the questions. We will be coming with more videos in the near future. Hope you like this channel. So you please like, share and subscribe the channel SRIP Edu Form, and watch many more videos that we have already been uploaded in the channel. Also press bell icon so that the new videos that we are uploading, you get the notification of those videos. Thank you so much for watching.